Remember, in San Francisco Bay Area, supply and demand. Mas
Correct.
maraming demand kaysa sa supply. So a lot of buyers, they don't care.
Yeah.
You know, as long as it reflects on my price, I don't care because matagal naman akong titira dyan. Pwede kong paayos unti-unti.
As is lang talaga. Lagi.
Yeah, so palaging ganon.
Okay.
But here in, you know, in this area, mas maraming mga newer homes. So mas less ang problema.
Well, let's talk about other inspection. Termite, sabihin na natin.
Okay.
And also roof, sabihin na natin, right?
Yes.
Of course, sa mga bagong build, you know,
Yes.
3 years old, let's say 5 years old, right? I mean, do you really still need, you know, termite report or even roof inspection? If the generals, I mean, I'm just saying, if the general inspection says none, but
Okay.
how do you determine that? How do you advise client on
Okay,
that,
kung
right?
newer pa yung bahay, newer pa, right? So, I would start with general home inspection.
Okay.
Pag may nakita sila, then go order the roof and the pest. Okay? Kasi at the end of the day, covered pa rin siya ng structural warranty, which is in California, may 10-year structural
If
warranty.
it's a new builder home.
Yes.
Yeah.